Do you have anything for a headache? Do you have anything for a headache? Yes, I recommend one of these tablets. One of these pills. One of these. One of these. Just end it right there. Tablets. You know a tablet, a small tablet. We don't use it very much. We just say, I recommend one of these. Hi, welcome to Denny's. Are you ready to order? What are today's specials? What are? Did you notice I said it like that? What are? I said what are. What are? What are? What are today's specials? What do you want for dinner tonight? What do you want? What do you want for dinner tonight? Anything is okay. I'm good with anything. Anything is fine. Did you make up your mind? Make up your mind. What is that? Yeah, you know it. To decide. Did you decide? Did you make up your mind? Did you make up your mind? It's time to order. It's time to order. I'll have the spaghetti with meatballs. Yeah, that's what I'll have. I'll have the spaghetti with meatballs. Have you decided? Can I take your order? Yes, I'll have the pork fried rice. I'll have the pork fried rice. I'd like a cheeseburger and onion rings, please. For here to go. To go. What do you make of this? What do you make of this? What do you think of this? What's your opinion? What are you thinking about this? What do you make of this? It looks like a part of an airplane. Looks like a part of an airplane. What do you think this is? It looks like a part of an airplane. All right, it's a common phrase, this one up here. What do you make of this? What do you make of this? Good one to remember. What's your take on? That's another way to say it. What's your take on this memo? However, this one, a take on something is more of an opinion. What's your opinion? What's your take on this memo? It looks like several people will be relocated. So the company is restructuring. They are sending people away to a different place. They are getting relocated. We should order the piña colada. I like piña colada. Do you agree? Yes, that's a wonderful choice. What are your true feelings about her marriage? What are your true feelings? What are your true feelings about her marriage? I'd rather not say. I'd rather not say. No comment. No comment. I'd rather not say. What is your gut feeling? Your gut feeling about our business plan? You know, gut feeling? A gut feeling is your deep, true feeling, your true feeling, how you feel inside. I think we're in trouble. I think my gut feeling says we are in trouble. Are you free on Friday? Sure. What did you have in mind? What'd you have in mind? What'd you have in mind? Did you catch on to what I was trying to say then? So at that time, Did you catch on? Did you understand what I was trying to say? Did you understand what I was trying to say at that time? Did you catch on to what I was trying to say then? So when you catch on to something, you understand it. I caught on. Oh, I caught on after you explained it well. Yes, I think I understood the meaning. I understood the meaning at that time. All right. Did you follow the dialogue in the movie last night? Could you follow the dialogue? I couldn't understand what they were saying. Did you follow it? Did you follow the dialogue? Dialogue is kind of a word that we don't really use much either. Did you understand what they were saying? What they were saying. That's what we'd say. Did you follow what they were saying in the movie last night? Not everything, but I could follow most of it. Not everything, but I could follow most of what they were saying, most of it. Does what I said make sense? Does what I said make sense? Yes, almost. Not quite. Who do you respect? Who do you respect? I respect people who are problem solvers. That's who I respect. I respect people who are problem solvers. Who do you look up to? That's another way to say respect. Who do you respect? Who do you look up to? I really look up to people who devote their lives to helping others. So they give their all to helping other people. I really look up to people. I respect people who devote their lives to helping other people. Who do you look down on? So if you look up to someone, you respect them. If you look down on someone, then you do not respect them. I look down on people who are inconsiderate of others. Inconsiderate. That means they do not consider other people. They are selfish. I look down on people who are selfish. People who are inconsiderate of others are selfish. Oh, there we go. I forgot to do the red portion. Who do you look like? Who do you look like? Some people say I look like Moana. Oh yeah, you look like Moana. I see the resemblance. Who do you think I look like? There's a certain actor who everyone says I look like. Do you know who that actor is? I don't know. Maybe I look like him or not, but his name is Jim Carrey. What do you think? All right. Who do you take after, your mother or your father? Take after. Who do you look like? Who do you take after? Who do you look like? I think I take after both of them. I'm quite a mix. Who is your role model? My parent. Oh, sorry. My partner at work. Boring. My partner at work. I really respect him. That's a boring answer. It's okay. I'm just being not funny. Did you two hit it off last night? Hit it off means it went well. You made a connection. If you make a connection with somebody, you hit it off. Did you two hit it off last night? Yes, we're seeing each other again on Friday. We are going to see each other again. That means we're going to go out, do something together on Friday. You look sad. Did you strike out with Katie? So if you strike out, that's the opposite of hit it off. Hit it off, it went good. Strike out, it went bad. Yeah, she said she isn't interested in me. She said that? That's rude. She said she isn't interested. Usually people don't say, I'm not interested. You could say, yeah, I could feel she wasn't interested. Or the feeling was she was not interested. Something like that. She's mean to you. Why do you put up with her? She is not nice to you. She's mean to you. Why do you put up with her? To put up with someone means you tolerate them. Why do you tolerate her? Why do you put up with her? It's not as bad as it looks. It's not as bad as it looks. It seems bad, but it's not that bad. Are you taking off? Are you going somewhere right now? Are you taking off? Yes, I'm finished for the evening. I'm going home. So are you taking off work? Are you going home? Yes, I'm finished for the evening. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm sorry, I have another appointment. I'm sorry, I have another appointment. Leaving so soon? I wish you could stay longer. Are you leaving so soon? Shortened. Leaving so soon? Leaving? Are you leaving? Are you already leaving? Are you leaving so soon? I wish you could stay longer. So he's asking, please stay longer. I wish you could stay longer. But he's up here. No, I'm sorry. I have another appointment. I have to go. Are you heading out? So you're leaving the office. That doesn't mean you're finished working. Maybe you're going out to do work. Are you going out? Are you heading out? Yes, I've got some work to do at home. Yes, I've got some work to do at home.